Hello, hello. How are you today? This video is to explain the class number 3 of the autonomous. So you are going to do it alone, okay? So this is the agenda. The first point is to have your notebook. Do you have your notebook? If you don't have, take it. I have my notebook. Look at my notebook. Now we're going to write with red pencil the title Autonomous Class for Dictation. Autonomous, beautiful, class 3 dictation. My title is very long, so I put it in 2 lines. Okay? Then the point number 2 is to write the numbers from 1 to 12. So, with red pencil again, we are going to write the first number and then, like this, in the other space, in the other line, we're going to write the number 2, the number 3, look. Perfect. Until the number 12. Very good. I have here my whole numbers ready. Perfect. So now we're going to listen the words that the teacher is going to say. I'm going to give you a clue. It's regarding the months of the year. So pay attention. Open your ears and be ready to write with your pencil. So the first month of the year is, in the example, we have the first one. So we're going to write it. But I'm going to explain you how are we going to do it. It's O, O. These 2 letters sounds O. And then G, O, S, T, O, G, O, S, T. August. Perfect. Now that we have the first word, we're going to the number 2. Ready? S, E, T, E, B, E, Again, faster. E, M, B, R. September. Great job. Number 3. We're going to the number 3. If you feel that it's very fast, remember that you can pause the video and then you can repeat the video, okay? Number 3. J, E, N, U, A, E. J, E, N, U, R, E. January. January. Great job. Now, we're going to the number 4. Okay, number 4. D, E, S, E, M, B, E, R, D, 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 E, S, E, E, M, B, E, R. December. Very good. Let's go to the number 5. A, E, U. April. A, E, U. Perfect. Now we're going with the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exactly with the number 6. Number 6. A. Ooh, that one it's only 2 sounds, but it has 3 letters. So it's A. This A is together, okay? But remember that are 3 letters. Perfect. Now we have the number 7, okay? The number 7 is also a little bit difficult, but I know you can do it. J, U, N, June. But look, this word has 4 letters because in this letter, the last letter, it doesn't sound. What is that letter that doesn't sound? Again. J, U, N, and silent something. What is that letter? Let's see. Now we're going to the month of the year number 8. E, B, R, U, A, R, I. Oh, Fe, B, Ra, Ri. E, B, R, U, A, R, I. February. Perfect. Let's go with one that is very short. A, ch. 4 sounds, 5 letters. A, ch. March. The number 10. J, U, I. J, U I July. Okay? 11. O O B E October. October. And the last one. Super. O V E B E Again. November. Look again. O V E B E Perfect. So we finish with the dictation. And next class in bilingual project with Amalia, Marcy, and me, we are going to socialize. How did you do? You're going to show us your notebook with your answers, okay? Bye bye. See you.